What's happening, y'all? How you doing today? OnRossTheGod. And this Popeye eats spinach in this bitch. Alright, that's SunGods, SevenStar, Spiritual Planet. Planet OnRoss, $King OnRoss. And OnRossTheGod eats spinach. I'm just like Popeye, I eat spinach. Hey y'all niggas, I ain't eating spinach today. I'm the real life Popeye, my name is OnRoss. I'm eating spinach cause I am a boss. Ever since I got spiritual, I became a Moorish American. And this is Moorish America. And Moorish America is eating spinach in this bitch. I eat spinach cause I am OnRoss. I am OnRossTheGod and Popeye in this bitch. I am a boss. I am OnRoss. I eat spinach in this bitch. Daddy daycare in this bitch. I need employees. Daddy daycare is part of the Moorish temple, and the Moorish temple is OnRoss, and OnRoss is the boss. $King OnRoss. Cash App King me some shit. Donate to my spiritual planet, my non-for-profit Moorish temple, spiritual planet OnRoss. Eat some more spinach. Become the Iron Man, OnRossTheGod. Tomatoes in this bitch. Yummy, 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 yummy. Put it in the tummy one time. I am OnRossTheGod and I'm eating some spinach. Popeye was real. Popeye was real. Eat some spinach. This is some real shit. Eat some spinach in this bitch. Eat some spinach in this bitch. Ever since I got spiritual, I became OnRoss. I eat spinach because I'm a boss. Eating spinach today. I am OnRossTheGod. Eating the salad one time. Delicious spinach in this bitch. OnRossTheGod. Spinach in this bitch. Share my shit. $King OnRoss. Eat some spinach. Popeye in this bitch. I'm a boss. What's happening?